One of the things that you'll always find is coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the staple items that you'll find within our Garifuna household because we basically use coconut oil for everything, for cooking, frying, when we're making our breads and all that kind of stuff. Coconut oil is a staple.
Now, with them with coconut oil is that in the United States, coconut oil had a bad reputation. The media, television, and news channels, of course, always talked bad about coconut oil because they saw it as a ingredient that could actually be bad for people's health. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, now, number one most important thing to take away from that is it's not true because now coconut milk is the most popular, one of the most popular, oils here in the United States and stuff like that. It was just basically a whole bunch of propaganda. I won't get into the whole politics about it, but those of us who, were raised up on coconut oil from the Caribbean, from the Pacific, from the Philippines, from all those areas and everything like that, we always knew the benefits of coconut oil. And when they started to badmouth coconut oil, coconut products, we knew that it was just a media BS. But coconut oil is one of the best oil, natural oil that you could consume. It's not going to do anything for you. Evidenced by all of the indigenous people have been using it forever.
Can you tell us real quick, and I want to concentrate on coconut oil because I know it's flavorful. What are some of the things that you cook with it?
Well, like I say, I make all of my breads. Like when I make my coconut bread, of course, I use coconut milk, and I also put a little bit of coconut oil in there. When I make my flour tortillas, and when I make my Johnny cakes and my fried jacks, I use coconut oil in there. I don't use corn oil. I always, my go-to oil here is either coconut oil and or olive oil. But majority of the times that I'm making anything is with coconut oil.